Learn with Manahil Fatima. Today's lesson is words that start with letter F. F, flower, flower. F for frog, frog. F for fish, fish. F for fan, fan. F for fork, fork. F for fox, fox. F for four, four. F for five, five. F for fire, fire. F for fly, fly. F for feather, feather. F for foot, foot. F for fence, fence. F for face, face. F for food, food. F for fruits, fruits. F for family, family. F for fast, fast. F for flag, flag. F for football, football. F for fig, fig. F for finger, finger. F for fingertips, fingertips. F for fairy, fairy. F for flute, flute. F for floor, floor. F for fabric, fabric. If you like this video, please guys like, share and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos just like this. Bye guys.